Hi, this is Dr. Caruso, and the purpose of this tutorial is to explain to you one of the components of your assignments for week 2. In week 2, we are taking our class Beyond the Podium for an independent study session. Once you've logged into HRD 321 in Desire to Learn, under your course content browser, you're going to find a folder called Weekly Units. And each unit that we work on is housed in this folder. We're interested in week 2, so I'm going to click on the week 2 folder. Here are some of the required readings in addition to your textbook readings. And there's something here also called EdPuzzle. So I'm going to click on EdPuzzle. And I see that in my browser there is a video that is loading. If I click more, I can see the entire video. This particular tool, EdPuzzle, is going to ask you to sign up. If you already have an account, you can log in one of these 3 ways. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up. So I'm going to show you how to sign up. Click Sign Up. You can sign up as a student with EdPuzzle, Google, or Edmondo. I suggest you sign up with EdPuzzle because it will not ask you to sign up with an email address. So I'm going to click Sign Up with EdPuzzle, and a new window opens. It's probably best if you complete this assignment on your laptop or PC. And I'm just going to give this a fictional name. And a password. The email is optional. I'm going to opt out of that, and I'm going to say sign up. And once I do that, I'm going to click this back button, and I'm going to say that I want to log in with EdPuzzle. So I use the credentials that I just created. And the trick to this is to kind of refresh your screen. So to do that, I'm going to click on this link that says EdPuzzle Week 2. And once I do that, I get a message that asks me, do I want to join the HRD 321 class? And I'm going to say join. And now I can go ahead and start the assignment. When I click on Start Assignment, you'll see that a YouTube video loads. You can maximize the screen by clicking here. And you could go ahead and start the assignment. Notice that along the way there are some indicators here that I have added a voice note. You must listen to the entire video in order for you to receive credit for this assignment. If you exit prematurely without letting the assignment go all the way to the end, I will not receive the message that you have completely watched the video. So please watch it from start to end. It is not that long, and it has some recap of information about the chapters you have read. And it also has some hints about what is on the quiz. Once you have finished the entire video, you can then minimize your screen if you have maximized it. And to sign out, you simply click the arrow that is pointing to the right, and it signs you out of EdPuzzle. Let me know if you have any questions. See you soon.